What up, though, everybody? It's Heavy Metal Lifestyle and the B-side. Say what up, B-side. We're on our way to the range, man. We're on our way to Blue Water to put in some work. I'm sitting here in the car thinking, B-side got me thinking, like, what we gonna do today? I got 80 rounds of 5.56 and probably made 200 rounds of pistol. What you got?
40 rounds of 308. Maybe 120 rounds of 5.56.
Okay.
It's the spicy stuff, the 2.62s.
2.62s?
Yeah.
So he got more than me, so just in case I might need 20. So, but look, we're going out here to shoot, do some training, do some work, make some content. This is my first in the car vlog. I want to thank B-Side for this lovely, what is this thing called? Quad lock. So look, we're on our way to the range. We're out here at Blue Water. It's a beautiful Friday. It's supposed to be about 40, 50 degrees out here. Maybe, usually when I get out, it's never 40, 50 degrees. It's sunny, it's always cold. You know, we're not fair weather shooters. We shoot when we train in all kind of weather.
Fair weather patriot.
Fair weather patriots, he calls us. So we shoot when it's cold out. Sometimes it's raining. It is what it is when we get out there. But we got some competitions coming up. I'm trying to gear up, get going for some axe matches that's coming up in the next months, and getting ready for CRC, the Combat Rifle Championship in September. So I'm out here. I'm out at the range. I got my Daniel. I'm gonna run the Spec Series M&P, which is B-Sides. I didn't had it for I don't know how long. How long I had it? About a good week.
I forgot I had it.
Right. I'm that guy you get stuff to and you gotta ask for it back because I forgot. I thought it was mine. But we're gonna run that. We got Trigger, what do they call it? Trigger Finger Tactical gonna be out here. We're gonna try to get some content. So that's it. This is my first vlog. We'll see how it go. Like I said, whatever y'all doing, if you're sitting chilling watching, please hit the like button. Please hit the subscribe button. Tell your friends about me. Share the video. That's about it. We go get some rolling up to the range. So that's it for me. Catch me on the range. We out here at the Blue Water. I'm about to get some shooting in. I got my Daniel Defense M4A1. I got it canned up. Best thing about shooting the Daniel is shooting it suppressed. So what we're gonna do is, you recording, Joe? So what we're gonna do is just a little 1-on-1 warm-up drill. It's just, like I said, we're gonna do high reps, low rounds, right? So there's 2 shots on target from the rifle. So I put one in the mag. So it's one in the chamber. It's hot right now. So when they go to slide lock, all we're gonna do is reload and put another shot on, and then we're gonna reset it back up, right? Got it. High ready or low ready? So it's up to you. So Shane got the buzzer. He can hit the buzzer. So I'm gonna go from low ready, high ready. We just go back and forth. Up, safety off, bound. Check it. Empty, boom, boom. Take another shot, follow him to the ground, safety on. Check. We back. Cool?
Hey, ready?
You gonna have to stand over here. I don't think we're gonna pick it up. Pop the pin. Now you gotta rip sometime.
I'm gonna say that. You watch. That's the marker that I'm gonna get that much worse.
Shooter ready? Nope.
The Daniels do not like the poly mags.
Really? The Daniels do not like their Daniel mags.
That's why I run metal mags in mine.
Okay.
It wouldn't drop free when it got sitted up with the suppressor. Shooter ready.
Let's see you make adjustment for it.
.595.
So pick it up that time?
See, now it's beeping. Okay, it's not. You're ready.
Oh,
You gotta say no, remember?
shooter ready.
That's 5-6-4 with Charlie. I'm ready.
Shooter, are you ready?
Ready.
Stand by.
High.
You hear one.
Ready.
Stand by.
Beautiful.
489. Where the shots at though?
Ready.
Stand by.
Way out.
Look, this is not low ready. This low ready.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going from low ready. Whatever you want to do.
Low ready is only where your optic is out of your line of sight,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is considered like you don't want to live in your sights when you moving. So it's like right there. That's low ready. So down anything below that is just out of play.
Not ready.
Not ready. So we right. So your low ready is whatever.
So line your sight up like you're on target, right?
Drop it.
And then stay locked on your target with your eyes.
Just drop it. Yep.
Boom. Is that clear?
Mm-hmm.
That's your low ready.
That's your. Oh, ran out of ammo. Wrong. Shooter ready?
Ready.
Stand by. Got one out. Shooter, are you ready?
Ready.
Stand by.
Yeah.
Stand by.
That's crazy. You did more shots in less time. You ready?
Ready.
Or to the BCM angle back.